Hi everyone. Okay, so I'm recording to let you guys know and make sure that you guys understand what you're doing. So we're summarizing a story. The story that you're reading is the one that's attached to your PowerPoint. I'm sorry, to your Google Classroom, and you're going to be reading that with Flipgrid, okay? So a summary includes important details about the characters, settings, and explains the key event in the story. A summary should be brief. Not every detail from the story needs to be included. Someone who has not read the story should be able to understand it by reading your summary. So you can type here, all of this that are highlighted, you can type in these. For example, in the beginning is a sentence starter, or in the middle, and then you continue on in the end. And I wanted a brief summary of beginning, middle, and end, okay? Then we're going to go on to determining the theme. The theme is a central message the author wants readers to think about. Noticing how characters find solutions to their problems can help you determine the theme. A strong theme applies to other stories and to real life, not just one story. So, for example, you're going to think of a setting. So you would write in complete sentences, the setting is, the characters are, the problem is, and the solution is. Another thing would be the theme. So the theme of the story is, and you would fill in the blank. I don't want you just typing in the beginning or in the middle or in the end or the setting is. I want you to fill it out completely based on your story because we're going to have different stories. So now that I'm going to scroll down to where it says compare and contrast characters. A character trait describes a character's behavior and actions. What a character says and does reveals their character traits. So when we're comparing and contrasting, I want you to compare just two characters. You choose whichever two from your story. And then you're going to type the character's name. So for example, if you are doing Heron and the crab, you would write heron and crab here. Those are your two characters. Then I want you to write the details that show what the character is like. Remember when we were practicing and we were going in comparison, okay, what kind of qualities does this person have? What kind of things do they display they are? And then, of course, our character traits. I'm going to attach what a character trait list is so you guys can possibly base off that list and just write your list on whatever you need to. An example, the heron is sneaky, let's just say. Big. The crab is gullible, if I want to say. And then you keep going and adding your character traits. Now, like I said, I'm going to add traits to it, and I know we've been recently practicing this compare and contrast. So do the best you can. I want you to think of the circle we did where it's what do they have in common and what do they have different in character traits. I know you can do this. I'm going to miss you guys so much. I can't wait to see you again after a week. I love you guys.